Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Tom Ford Soleil Brûlant Eau de Parfum. This perfume retails for $368. It is 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces US. This is the outer packaging. Very typical of Tom Ford's perfume packaging. There's the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is very well known for Tom Ford's perfumes. This is generally what his packaging is, very similarly shaped for all his scents. There's the top. It does say Tom Ford. Bottom. Very nice gold. So this again is Soleil Brûlant. $368 retail on this. The top notes on this perfume are pink pepper, bergamot, and Mandarin Orange. There's the sprayer. Middle notes would be honey and orange blossom. And base notes are resin, frankincense, amber, woody, leather, and vetiver. This is a beautiful, beautiful smelling perfume. Again, 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces US. And it does retail at all the major outlets for $368. This is a beautiful, beautiful, long-lasting perfume. So definitely I would recommend this if you are interested in the notes. Again, top notes are pink pepper, bergamot, Mandarin Orange. Middle notes would be honey and orange blossom. And base notes are resin, frankincense, amber, woody, leather, and vetiver. Really, really wonderful scent from Tom Ford. So, hope you all have enjoyed this. And there's a better look at it. This is a wonderful, wonderful perfume. So thanks guys for checking out the unboxing, and if you are new here, would love it if you would join my channel by hitting the subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications on all my new uploads. I do have a 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on while this video is being made, so if it is still open, I encourage you to subscribe and partake in that if you are so interested. I will link that information in the description on this video. Thanks so much for joining me, you guys. I hope you enjoy this, and do give this perfume a consideration. It is a wonderful, wonderful scent. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.